Hello to all. Hope you all are enjoying the levels and learning from my videos. This time I am posting a video in English as some of subscribers don't understand Hindi. So basically we will start with the our analysis video. In this I will cover all the levels, important levels of different scripts. So you should note down those levels and trade on them. So let's get started. So this is the Nifty chart. So basically Nifty gave a bearish breakdown in previous session, and now today it is heading toward this support zone. So if market opens neutral, then this is the support zone from where some bounce can be expected. So if this support hold, then we can bounce toward 200 levels. The buying or momentum should be only positive momentum should come only above 228, which is I think today's session high. So if we trade convincingly below this, we are heading towards this gap 12050, which is conflict with EMA, or matches with our EMA. So basically this market is a sell on rise, but at important resistance. Okay, then you should be trading at important levels, which I will I will be showing in this video. First is 1240 to 1050. This is the important support zone. Look at this candles of 1232. Below this we can head towards next support, which comes near 120670, which matches with EMA. So this is the Nifty chart. If we trade above this zone, we will be heading toward this pink zone, which is 291.92. So basically you have to note these level. So let's get started with another scripts. One of them is Cipla. Look at this. Cipla is trying to form a ascending triangle. It comes at this trend line and try to make a high, then again. So if it breakout, if this breakout happens, it can go towards 512,520. So basically there are two ways to trade it. One is that we should wait near this level for a more higher high and to form a bullish candle, so that we can take this area with our stop loss to preemption of the breakout to 1512 levels. So basically if somebody is not interested in buying, or if someone wants to sell, so he should wait. This is only for positional view. She should wait to close below this, then we can move again lower, 446, 442. So basically for intraday, this is the important levels where you can look for trade, like this one doji, second doji, and to the breakdown. So basically this is the important resistance on 477. If we do not cross or get rejected, we will test the 470.68 levels. So basically you have to keep an eye on this. And then next come is Maruti. Maruti was trading in a channel, like in this arrow. It always bounces from that point. So it has hit the upper end and gave a good nice reaction, and today it gave a breakdown. So basically if we do not cross 735060, we will be most probably heading towards this zone, which is 7160, 7170. So basically for any bullish trade, we have to look at this area. For any selling trades, we have to wait for this area. So that is the area where we will get maximum risk reward trades. So you have to keep Maruti in your watch list. And then comes Kotak Bank. If you are following me on Telegram channel, you will know that I have given a support area of 1585, and exactly it reversed from that zone. So basically for intraday tomorrow, 1608 or 1612 is the important support areas. If we hold this, we could head towards 1651, where if it gets rejected, we can see some sell off. So basically these area where you want to trade. And then comes the HDFC. HDFC is holding 2440 level from many sessions. If we it went today below this but didn't sustain. If we sustain for hour or half hour, we can see a sell of towards 2440. Buying should only be given or consider only above this zone. So basically these two zones you should also be keeping in your watch list. So one stock was TCS, which we given at recommended 2186 short short zone. So we can see this. Yes, look at this, 2186 was exactly the same high. So basically now two lows, 2156 and 2158, two zones. And look at this one also. So this is a nice support, but it has tested couple of times. So if it breaks, it can move toward 2120. So you should be watching at this area. So TCS is one another stock. HDFC Life, as I have been giving selling from 620 levels, and basically our target is 585. So today yesterday session I also gave selling recommendation as 607, and intraday it gave 5 to 7 rupees. So again, if it does not cross 605 and gets rejected, so we can move toward 594 and below levels. Some momentum is only above 6110 levels, then we can head to 11615. So basically it can come to these zones. So you should be keeping them in watch list. SBI is another stock which is making a descending triangle. So I recommended selling at 315. So basically intraday it gave 3 rupees. So if we break on closing basis and sustain below 308, so we can move toward 288, and structure looking weak, you can use intraday resistances for selling. So you can keep them in your watch list. IndusInd Bank is another stock which I gave. Look at this, 1350 I given selling, and now it is ranging between this doji high low. So basically this range is for trending move. If we move above this, then we can move again to 1420 and 1450, and if we break the lower range and sustain, we are heading towards 1250. So IndusInd Bank is another stock you could make you in watch list. So another one thing is crude. People were asking me to post this. So crude, in intraday I will keep posting in my Telegram channel for intraday levels. For a positional view, you have to be buying above 4220 for any directional move, and below 4085 we could head toward 4020. So basically these two levels, or whenever we will close above these ranges, we will get a trending move in crude. So basically you should be aware of those and keep them in your watch list. And another stock which I given is Glenmark. Look at this, it is holding in a curve, and if we move towards below 346, we will be heading towards this red zone, and more breakdown will be below this. So basically safe trader can look to buy above this for 392.93 with SL below this zone, or we should wait for any close below this zone for to heading towards 315 zone. So these are the stocks which I am continuously giving on my channel. I will be sharing more stock ideas with you. So basically you should share my channel and subscribe. Hope you are liking my videos and my stock. So hope you will join me in a Telegram channel, and links for other purposes are also given in my profile and description. So hope you will enjoy and earn from it. Thank you for watching.